This is the door the junior high will go through during the pep rally. And this is where they will sit. This is the door the sophomores will go through during the pep rally. And they will sit on this side of the bleachers. This is the door the juniors will go through during the pep rally, which is the left entrance, and they will go up the left stairway. This is where the seniors will go during the pep rally, the right entrance and up the right stairway.
This is a scavenger hunt. And whenever they hold up a sign, something like keys, you have to find it from the crowd. Keys.
Okay.
Yeah. The next challenge is the yardstick drop challenge. So, as we're lined up in a circle and we will go counterclockwise, the person to my left has to get the stick before it drops. So if I was to let go and he catches it, he's still in. Again. If I was to let go, he's here. Come on, get in there. If I was to let go and he missed, he's out. See, see how that works? That's actually cheating, but that's okay.